Dear students, today I am going to explain you one question from trigonometric identities. We have to prove it. Question is, if cos to the power 4a by cos square b plus sin to the power 4a by sin square b equals to 1, prove that sin to the power 4a plus sin to the power 4b equals to 2 sin square a into sin square b. Okay? So, first of all, what is given from that we will prove. And another way of proving is this. What we have to prove, from that you start, and what is given that you bring. Then also it is proved. So there are the two ways. And the first way that I am explaining you today is that what is given, from that I will proceed and I will bring the result what we have to prove. Okay? So let's start. Since cos to the power 4a by cos square b plus sin to the power 4a by sin square b is equals to 1. This is given. And now we'll find the LCM. The LCM is this cos square b into sin square b, and then this LCM is divided by cos square b, then we get sin square b, and it is multiplied by the numerator. So we get sin square b into cos to the power 4a plus, again this LCM is divided by sin square b, and we get cos square b, and it is multiplied by numerator sin to the power 4a. So we get cos square b into sin to the power 4a, that is equals to 1. Now by crisscross multiplication, that means this 1 is multiplied to this and this numerator is multiplied to this 1. Here nothing is given, that means 1 is given. So we get sin square b into cos to the power 4a plus cos square b into sin to the power 4a, and that is equals to cos square b into sin square b. This implies, now this right side what is given that I will bring to left side, and then we get sin square b into cos to the power 4a plus cos square b into sin to the power 4a minus cos square b into sin square b. And here nothing is left, that means 0 is left. Now you see here what we have to prove. In that you find in the left side and right side, in LHS and RHS, what the places you find all are in terms of sign. So here also we have to concentrate on bringing all the terms in form of sign. So wherever cos is there that will convert into sign. Okay, let's start. Sin square b into, this will be written as cos square a to the whole square plus, and this will be written as 1 minus sin square b, and this is already sin, so no need of changing it, minus, and this will be written as 1 minus sin square b into sin square b, and that is equals to 0. Since here one formula I should write that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and that's why sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. This we have to keep in mind always. Now here sin square b into, so here instead of cos square a we will write 1 minus sin square a to the whole square plus. Now here I remove the bracket and then I get sin to the power 4a minus sin to the power 4a minus, into sin square b. Okay, and then here again this bracket I remove, so this into 1 is sin square b and minus minus plus, and this is sin to the power 4 b equals to 0. Now, again you see here a minus b. A minus b to the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus, it is minus, so it will be here minus 2ab. And so here we'll write sine square b into 1 plus sine to the power 4a minus 2 sine square a plus sine to the power 4a minus sine to the power 4a into sine square b minus sine square b plus sine to the power 4b equals to 0. Now you remove this bracket, then it is sine square b plus sine square b into sine to the power 4a minus 2 sine square a into sine square b. Okay, and then plus sine to the power 4a minus sine to the power 4a into sine square b minus sine square b plus sine to the power 4b equals to 0. Now let's see what can be cancelled. Sine square b and minus sine square b is cancelled. And then sine square b and sine to the power 4a, this and this cancelled. And then you see what are left. Sine to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4b minus 2 sine square a into sine square b equals to 0. Okay, and then you see what we have to prove. We have to prove sine to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4b equals to 2 sine square a into sine square b. So here also we get the same thing. Sine to the power 4a plus sine to the power 4b is equals to this all. I am bringing right side, then it becomes plus 2 sine square a into sine square b. Okay, hence proved. In this way, trigonometric identities are proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.